is what you'll need for my blackened trout. I need some trout fillets, or salmon works just as well. I need some butter, some brown sugar, some chilli or cayenne pepper, some dried thyme, garlic powder, oregano, onion powder, lemon pepper and smoked paprika. If you don't like the smoky taste, just use normal paprika. Onto a dish, put your herbs and spices and sugar and give them a mix round. Then get your fillets, some paper towels, put them on there to absorb any excess liquid. Then onto there with a bit of salt and pepper, and then into a dish melt a bit of butter. You're going to give them a coating of butter on the top and sides. Into a pan with a bit of oil and a little bit of butter. Get that heated up. Then with your trout fillets, you're just going to dip them into your concoction you've just created. Don't dip the skin, otherwise it can blacken. Really black, you don't want that, even though this is blackened trout fillets. So give them a good coating in there. Then it's into the pan, flesh side down. Give that 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how hot your hob is. And then we're going to flip them over. When it's had 3 or 4 minutes, add a bit of more oil in there. Then we're going to flip them over onto the skin side and give them another 5 minutes. When you've had 5 minutes on the skin side, all that's left is to serve them up with your favourite accompaniments. And then a little drag so you can see the deliciousness that you're going to eat. To finish off, just a bit of parsley, a few drops of lemon juice on each one, and get stuck in.